Hi everyone, and today I will give all of you a brief idea of the medication used before anesthesia, or you can say pre-anesthetic medication. So, pre-anesthetic medication may be defined as the use of certain medicines before anesthesia to make it less unpleasant and safe. So, safe means devoid of adverse effects. So the aim of using pre-anesthetic medication are relief of anxiety. Some patients are prone to anxiety, so these medications are used to reduce the anxiety of those patients. Amnesia for the preoperative events. Supplement analgesic action to the anesthetic so that the dose of general anesthetic can be reduced. Potentiation of the anesthetic action. Decrease secretions, mainly the cholinergic secretions, and vagal stimulation which may occur due to general anesthetic. Decrease the acidity of gastric juice and its volume to cause less damage if aspiration and esophageal reflux occurs. Anti-emetic effect to prevent vomiting. Now, drugs used. Pre-anesthetic medication is used depending upon the purpose and purpose and the need of the patient. So the following drugs are used. First of all, anti-anxiety drugs. These drugs are used to relieve anxiety and apprehension and also amnesia. For example, drugs benzodiazepines such as diazepam or lorazepam may be used for this purpose. Sedative hypnotics, promethazine, which is also an antihistaminic used for its anticholinergic, sedative, antiemetic properties. It also causes minimum respiratory depression, so it is preferred. Opioids, morphine or pethidine may be used, but the use of opioids should be restricted to patients having preoperative pain because the major disadvantage of using morphine or pethidine is their respiratory depression causing ability. So fentanyl is preferred nowadays for this purpose. And opioids are actually fentanyl is induced should be induced 1 hour before the induction. Anticholinergics drugs such as atropine, hyoscine and glycopyrrolate is used to reduce the cholinergic secretions and vagal actions. Glycopyrrolate is proved to be more potent for these applications, and so it is preferred nowadays. H2 blockers or proton pump inhibitors, these are used to reduce gastric acid secretion, decrease the gastric regurgitation and to combat aspiration pneumonia. For example, H2 blockers such as ranitidine, famotidine or proton pump inhibitors such as omeprazole, pantoprazole given night before and in the morning helps to increase the pH. Before prolonged surgery, these drugs are now used to prevent stress ulcers routinely. The last one is antiemetics. So metoclopramide is given intramuscularly preoperatively to reduce postoperative vomiting. Domperidone is equally effective to metoclopramide. Now ondansetron, which is a selective 5-HT3 blocker, is effective in reducing the incidence of post anesthetic nausea and vomiting. It is preferred antiemetic nowadays because it is devoid of any side effect. So this is a brief idea about the pre-anesthetic medication, aims of using pre-anesthetic medication, drugs used for this purpose such as anti-anxiety drugs, sedative hypnotics, opioids, anticholinergics, H2 blockers and antiemetics. So today I am ending my discussion here. See you in my next video with another topic. And guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.